Hi, we're demonstrating a Chicago taper, a model FC32, I believe. It's a top tape head only. It has all lucite glass, and those are lockouts, so it's safety lockouts, so once you open them, the machine automatically stops. Close one side, whether you're coming from a conveyor or from a table, it has the ability to hold the back flap. When you put it on, let's say the flaps are up or something, this will kick the bottom flap, holds it down, it comes out the other side, it's taped. And you go to a conveyor at this side, and the whole unit is 115 volt, single phase, air required, it's convenient, it's portable, it's sleek, it looks like it's brand new, quite honestly. And you'll find it on our website at www.champtrading.com, Marlboro, New Jersey. Thanks for visiting today.